Hello everybody, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So I just did the video on the front windshield here, cleaning all the wax off of it. It looks beautiful. I was recommended by a very faithful watcher on my channel, which I had thought about it before, but I think I am going to try a little spot to get like 3000 grit wet sanding paper to get some of the wax that you see here off this roof. The roof is probably definitely the worst of it. The rest of the body doesn't appear to have too much left on it at this point after the first wash that I gave it. However, I am going to be obviously waxing the entire body of the car. The hood here is probably the worst of the cracking and the crazing, as you guys can see, but who knows? I mean, it may look a lot better after I get a buffer on it, or do it by hand, like I said, depending on if it's going to burn through or not. I'm going to do some test patches. Probably end up doing a lot of it by hand, but we'll see. So anyway, right now in this video, I am going to just try a little spot with my 3000 grit wet sandpaper and see what it does. So anyway, shout out to Mr. B. Thank you for suggesting that. So we're going to try it right now. So I'm going to try the rail right here above the window trim. You can see it's pretty bad right here. And I have my 3000 grit wet sandpaper. When you feel it, it's very smooth. There's hardly any grit to it whatsoever because it's meant to just kind of very finely cut, but not remove anything, like as in paint. So like I said, just going to get this a little bit more wet right here and try it. Not sure I'm going to proceed with the wet sanding. It honestly doesn't seem to be doing a whole lot. Now I'm going to go get a dry cloth, dry a spot, and actually try some Flitz wax. I swear by Flitz wax. I've brought so many cars back to life with it. I was recommended a long time ago to it from a friend who also does classic cars. He loves the stuff. So I'm going to dry this spot right here, and I'm actually going to try some Flitz to remove this. And then if the Flitz works, I'll probably try it in the morning with the buffer. Like I said, I will try it so it doesn't burn through, but just to save my arms, if the buffer would work, that would be fantastic. All right, hang on, you guys. Let me go get the stuff. So absolutely no method to my madness here. I just kind of did a little section right here and then kind of just above the door. But you guys can see the shine that it still has. And I don't think that the buffer is going to cause any issues. So I'm just going to finish this last little strip above the door. I want to get rid of the rest of this wax right here. But I am going to be using the buffer because it's a lot on my arms. But I mean, it feels great and I'm happy with it. Again, this is not trying to restore this car. I want to keep its original charm and originality. So yes, the paint is shot in some places, but I just, like I've said many times before, I don't care. So I'm just going to finish this last little section right here, and then maybe in the morning we'll get up and finish the rest of this with the buffer. I have shown everybody this stuff before, but this is what will I can't even talk right now. This is what will be getting used on the entire car. It's been around for a very long time. It works amazing. That's all I can say. I've used it on several cars. Pretty expensive, very expensive, very tiny little can. This can costs about $65 just for one this size. So yes, it's very costly, but it does wonders, as you guys can see right there. So hopefully we can get most of the car to look like this. Like I said, the hood is pretty shot. And there's a lot of like cracking and crazing, as you can see right here on the trunk. I just want to get, like I said, these white spots that you see, that is all embedded wax. That's the biggest deal. I just want to get rid of all the white spots. The crazing and the cracking doesn't bother me at all. I actually kind of like it because it's just character and shows the originality. So like I said, my biggest deal is just getting rid of all the white spots that you see to get rid of the wax. But anyway, this is Flitz, and this is what will be used on the entire car. You guys should check it out. All right, there we have it. That's what it should look like, and hopefully what a lot of the car will look like. Looks fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. All right, so more on this tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, I've got a head cold. I said that in the last video, so I'm not feeling too hot today. So I will see you guys hopefully in the morning. We shall see. Have a blessed evening. Take care.